everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English, where we present different videos of your interest. And today I got one more interesting topic for you, especially for the Gen Zs, the teenagers, the youth. We all have crossed this age where we got to hear you should not have this kind of money, you should not invest something. Wait, because today I got a topic where I will tell you how the teenagers, the youth, the Gen Z can invest. Yes, you must have heard this thing that investing and adults, they go hand in hand. But today I will tell you that teenagers can also invest. How, when, where, why? All these questions will be answered in this video. So keep watching video till the end so that you get all your answers. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with all your Gen Z friends. Firstly, I have a quick question for you guys. Remember that Diwali cash that your relatives gave you? Or that birthday envelope that you got? Where is that money? That money must be chilling in your mother's purse or some drawer. And I'm sure that you guys have forgotten about that like your last year's homework. What if that money could start working for you? Like literally making more money. Sounds cool, right? But I am sure if you are a teen, you must have this question, I am not 18 yet. How can I invest? So buckle up, because we are into a world where investing is for everyone, irrespective of the age. And don't worry, I'm going to keep it very simple. No boring financial jargons and no more suit wale uncle. Just real talk. Come on, let's start with the deal. According to the Indian Majority Act 1875, everyone under 18 is considered a minor. That means legally you cannot invest on your own. But there's a twist. You can invest with the help of your parents or guardian. Basically, your mom or dad will help you in investing and manage your investments until you turn 18. After that, you will take the wheel. Let's suppose we have two friends, Mona and Sanjana, the best buds. Now, Mona started investing 5,000 rupees every month when she was 18. And Sanjana waits till 28. But just because she started late, so she thought of investing more money. So she started investing 7,000 rupees per month. Both are getting a return of 12% annually. Now, let's take a fast forward moment when they turn 35. So now, when Mona is 35 years of age, with 5,000 rupees of monthly investment, 12% return after 17 years, she will have around 31 lakhs. And if we talk about Sanjana, she was doing a monthly investment of 7,000 rupees with 12% return, but she started at the age of 28. So by the time she turned 35, she will be having 7 years. So the total value that she will be getting when she turned 35 is around 9 lakh. A massive difference. And do you know what is this difference called? Compounding. It is like a magic of interest on your interest. And the earlier you start, the more you make without doing anything extra. Okay, so now I will tell you why you should start early. This is a flex. First, you'll build a saving habit. When you start investing from a certain age, it will become a habit for you. And without any delaying or procrastinations, you will invest. And eventually you can fight with the recovery of your losses as well, along with less stress. Because trust me, one day you will see that the loss that you are making and the profits that you are making, but you can manage your losses with the time if you start investing at an early stage. Then the power of compounding works. And who will forget the financial freedom that you will get at a very young age? And even if there is an emergency situation, the money will have your back. Okay, let me make it very clear, I am not sugarcoating anything here. I am just telling you the reality, what it is. And let's not forget this fact that investing comes along with the risk factor. So some days your money will grow, but someday it doesn't. Not so much. So for that, never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. And I am talking about your investing portfolio. You should never invest in one type of stocks. You should always invest in different types of stocks so that even if you are getting loss in certain stocks, then you can manage your losses with the profit-making stocks. And for that, there's a pro tip. You should always ask someone who has a better knowledge in investing, or do your own solid research before investing. And for that, there is a perfect platform called Bosswala app. This app will give you an expert connect feature from where you can connect with an expert, do a video call, do a phone call, do messages, and connect with your favorite expert from different domains. Especially if you are thinking of investments, then you should always check with an expert who can guide you in a certain direction, especially when you are a first timer into the investment market. And Bosswala has your back. So don't think, download the app now and connect with your expert, ask all your questions, ask all your doubts, and they will give you a perfect suggestions for everything. So to download the app, you can check my channel profile for the link, and it is also there in the description. Okay, so now let's continue with the video, and I will tell you the step-by-step guide of investments if you are a minor, a teenage, a youth, a Gen Z kid. And trust me, after this video you won't be a kid anymore. First and the foremost thing is that you need a guardian because you are not 18 yet, and your guardian can be your parents. In some cases, court also allot a guardian to a person. Then it is required to have an age proof. It could be your birth certificate or your license or your passport or any of your degree certificate as well. There are certain documents that guardian should also carry, like their PAN cards, their Aadhaar card, their bank details, and a complete KYC process should be done. And boom, you have your investment account ready. All the money comes from guardian's account, but the investment is done in your name. And this is a reminder, no joint accounts or nominees are allowed. It's strictly minor only. Now what happens when you turn 18? So after that, you're officially the boss of your investments. Provide your own PAN card and KYC details. You should update your signatures as well and take full control of your Demat account. Now the part comes, where can you invest? You can invest in stock markets, you can invest in mutual funds, you can invest in digital gold, you can invest in sovereign gold bonds, you can invest in Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, you can invest in National Savings Certificate scheme as well. And there are multiple schemes in which a minor can also invest. I will tell you one by one. So let's talk about stock market first. If you want to invest in stock market as a minor, firstly thing, a guardian is required, as I have told you. Next, you have to open a Demat account with all the procedures that I've already told you, with all the documents. Just take a note of that no minor or in the name of minor from any account, you cannot do intraday, you cannot do derivatives, just delivery and just a proper investment. You can start from trusted stocks and index funds. You can start with SIP, that is systematic investment plan. You can start with SWP, which is systematic withdrawal plan, and your guardian will help you with all the KYC details. Trust me, you can also start your SIP with just 100 rupees. So if you want to check out a detailed video on SIP, SWP, there will be a link in the description from where you can check out that video where I have given all the relevant information. Nowadays, with trending music on Instagram, we have a different trendy feature of digital gold for investment as well, where you can track, sell and hold all your digital investments in the form of gold, but it would be digitally. Then there is sovereign gold bonds, which is government backed and very safe. You can also start your investments in SGBs as well. Then comes a government scheme, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. There is again a detailed video on this scheme. If you want that, you can check out the description. I'll put the link for you. This scheme is basically for a girl child who is below 10, and the parents can start investment on the behalf of their girl child. Till the time she turns 18, they can do the investments. There is a certain time period of the investment and a certain time period till when you can do the investments. You can do the investment till 1.5 lakhs annually. You get an annual return of 8%. Tax-free. Similarly, another government scheme is National Savings Certificate, in which you can also start investing with a 7.7% interest rate. Guys, we have different videos on different government schemes as well on our channel. Do check them out, where you can learn and understand the process of investments in those schemes. I hope you got all the relevant details in this video regarding, if you are a minor, regarding the investment process, because this will make your life easy if you will start investing at an early stage. Trust me, investing is a magic. When it grows, it feels like bliss. So start investing now. Do not wait for anyone, because you are your own boss. Alright, I hope you got all the information in this video. Still, if you feel any doubt, suggestion or feedback for me, do let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you again in the next video.
Bosswala. Be the boss.